Welcome back to Speed Theory Performance. Today we're going to be installing the VRSF racing exhaust for the 335i. As you can see, it's primarily 3.5 inch diameter, and the kit includes everything you're going to need to install the exhaust from the downpipe all the way back, including all the mounting hardware, spacers, and gaskets. What you're going to need is some silicone, a T50 and a half inch drive. You're going to need a 13mm socket and various wrenches, a pick tool, and then you're also going to need a 12 and 11mm socket. There are 4 bolts that hold the muffler section of the exhaust in place via hangers. You're going to want to remove those first and then continue to work your way forward.
That's 2. Pointing in the wrong 2. Come here. Move this one. And this one. Here. Differential bolts of the hanger. And as you can see, this one's much smaller. Can you see the height difference? 50s, 4 each side. Come here, just remove the bracket here, that bolt, and then finally come here to the downpipe. That's it.
Now with the stock exhaust removed, we're going to begin with installing the first section.
I'm curious now. This looks like, honestly, it's not going to fit. Boom.
Don't forget to slide the gaskets in. You're going to want to make sure that they are correctly placed between the flange for the downpipe and the first section. We used a transmission stand to help support during the installation process. With that being tightened down, now we're going to move on. So now we're going to be installing the S pipe or the mid pipe section of the exhaust. We're going to make sure that we use a decent amount of anti-seize paste so that in the future when we do have to take it apart, if we do, it'll be significantly easier. Just making sure we're putting it on the inside of the couplers as well.
Just slide it on.
Little bead.
leave it loose. Okay.
Slightly tighten the coupler, but still allowing you to alter the fitment angles so that when it comes time, you can adjust it without having to re-loosen it.
Not fully seated it right now until we can get that shaping right.
Remove the hangers from the stock exhaust, specifically the forward ones.
Get the plier, push the nipple through, then twist off.
Moving on to installing the final section of the exhaust, we're going to repeat the same process with the anti-seize paste.
The thinner one. Slide it past like this. Insert the two flappers. Probably should take the glove off for this. Again, fucking anti-seize everywhere. Fully seat. Okay. Boom. Good. Alright, so basically this one is too long, okay? And two, it's too short. So, pin up to here. I just kept the stock hanger. Alright, it has a little twist here. It's not fully seated, but we could figure that out. But basically, if you see this, this would be right here. And then it'd raise it only about 1/2 inch, which if you can get in there, it'd be touching here. It'd be metal on metal here, and metal on metal. You're not gonna see, but right in there, metal on metal.
Test fitting the final portion, you're going to be able to see that you're going to need to remove the bracket from the grommet, and then that's going to allow you to attach it to the new hanger.
Little countdown. Same. Get the little anti-seize. Rub it all in. This is where it'll be. Oops. Then start it over. This one's going to be a lot of clamping. Boom.
Slightly tighten that connection, then check the alignment of all the piping. Once it's good, go ahead and tighten it all down. Lastly, install the tips.
Here. There you go. Get back a little bit.
And a quick recap to ensure everything's installed and nice and tight. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna have to say VRSF made one pretty awesome exhaust. Don't forget to let me know what you think in the comments. Go ahead, like the video and subscribe.